Hi, you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the topic, so let's not waste your time and jump straight to the video. Number 10. Caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant found naturally in coffee, tea, and certain other plants. It works by blocking adenosine receptors in the brain, which reduces feelings of tiredness and increases alertness and focus. Caffeine is widely used and well studied, with numerous studies supporting its benefits for improved cognitive function, particularly in terms of short-term memory, reaction time, and concentration. However, excessive use can lead to side effects such as anxiety, restlessness, and insomnia. Number 9. Nicotine. Nicotine, found in tobacco, is primarily known for its addictive properties, but it also has stimulant effects that can enhance cognitive performance. Nicotine binds to nicotinic acetylcholine receptors in the brain, promoting the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and acetylcholine, which improve attention, memory, and focus. Despite these potential benefits, nicotine is highly addictive and carries significant health risks, particularly when consumed through smoking or vaping. Number 8. Lion's mane. Lion's mane is a type of medicinal mushroom with neuroprotective properties. It's believed to stimulate the production of nerve growth factor, a protein important for the maintenance and regeneration of neurons. Some studies suggest lion's mane may help improve memory, reduce mild cognitive impairment, and support overall brain health. Number 7. Glucoronolocalte. Glucoronolocalte is a compound often found in energy drinks, and it's believed to help with physical endurance and cognitive performance. It can boost energy levels and focus while being naturally present in human body. Number 6. Choline bitartrate. Choline bitartrate is a supplement form of choline, an essential nutrient that supports brain health, particularly in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and muscle control. While some studies suggest that choline supplementation can improve cognitive performance, especially in tasks involving memory and attention, it may not be as effective as other forms of choline like alpha-GPC, but it's still really good. Number 5. Phosphostedylioserine. Phosphostedylioserine is a phospholipid that is a key component of cell membranes, particularly in the brain. It plays a role in cognitive functions, such as memory, learning, and focus. Research suggests that phosphatidylserine may help improve cognitive function, particularly in aging adults. It is often used as a supplement to support memory, reduce stress, and enhance overall mental clarity. Number 4. Tyrosine. Tyrosine is an amino acid that serves as a precursor to important neurotransmitters like dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. These neurotransmitters are involved in mood regulation, stress response, and cognitive function. Studies have shown that tyrosine supplementation can improve cognitive performance, particularly in stressful situations or during periods of sleep deprivation. It also helps with focus, memory, and mental endurance. Number 3. Alpha-GPC. Alpha-GPC is a highly bioavailable form of choline that crosses the blood-brain barrier and increases acetylcholine levels in the brain. Alpha-GPC has been studied for its potential to enhance memory and cognitive function, and it's often used as a nootropic to boost mental clarity, focus, and overall brain health. Number 2. Semax. Semax is a peptide developed in Russia that is used to enhance cognitive function, particularly under stress or in demanding mental tasks. It works by increasing the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports the growth and survival of neurons. Semax is used to improve memory, focus, and mental clarity, but it's not widely studied outside of Russia, and its long-term effects are not well understood. Number 1. Noopept. Noopept is a synthetic nootropic that is known for its neuroprotective and cognitive-enhancing properties. It is similar in structure to pyracetam but is believed to be much more potent. Noopept is thought to improve memory, learning, and cognitive performance by increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factor and nerve growth factor levels, but more research is needed to fully understand its long-term effects and safety. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to like and leave a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support my work further, consider checking out my Patreon. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.